Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited that you're here because it's time for another What I Wore This Week. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley. Welcome to ParkeAvenue. And I have tons of fashion content for you to check out. If you love unboxings, hauls, outfit idea videos, I got outfit ideas for days. If that's the kind of content you want to see, then be sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my uploads. Now, before we get into this video, it's time for today's Instagram shout out. Now, usually I'd pick a comment and just shout one person out, but today I would like to shout out all of y'all. Everybody who follows me on Instagram, thank you guys so much for all the DMs, all the love you guys have been showing me over my new storage solution for my shoes, which is behind me. It's my new background and it's also my shoe storage. You guys have been telling me how much you love it, asking me questions about it, telling me that you think it's a great idea, that these are the kind of things that you need to get your hands on. So I have I linked it for you guys in my stories. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you've already checked it out. But I can also link it in the description box of this video. And I'll also link my mirror because you guys have been asking me about my mirror now that I've shown you guys my cute little corner in my film background. But thank you guys so much. Y'all are the bomb. And you guys have also been sharing ideas with me and suggestions on how I can stage this. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you what I finally end up with. It's gonna be a while because I don't want to rush it. I want to have something that's functional but cute. I don't want just like a bunch of little trinkets that don't really mean much. I want things that are that mean something, even if it's not something that I could actually use every single day. I want it to be something that gives me a vibe or makes me feel a certain way, things like that. So stay tuned. I'll be sure to update you guys. And if you guys want to check me out on Instagram, I'll have the link in the description box. It's a great way to chat with me in real time. And I show you guys what's going on in real time over on Instagram as well in my stories. So if you want to join the party, check the description box. I'll have links to all the platforms you guys can find me on. Pinterest is also another great place to follow me because I take photos of all my outfits and I upload them individually. So that way you guys can make your own mood boards, your own fashion boards, and set a vibe and have a place you can always go back to and reference so you don't have to go through every single one of my videos. So check me out there as well. Again, all the information you're gonna need is gonna be in the description box. All right, so let's get into today's outfits. Now, these looks that I'm showing you guys today, I just put together because I just want to show you guys some cute outfits that are fun and really nice for the summertime. Because I have been working on my wardrobe and organizing everything, it was just a pleasure to be able to find everything. Everything had a place, and I could just see things that I haven't seen in a while. I found shoes that I haven't laid eyes on in quite some time. So it was a pleasure putting these outfits together. And I just wanted to put together some fun stuff and try to get creative with these outfits, especially because some of the pieces I haven't seen in a while. And because the whole point of what I wore this week is to show you guys how to shop your closets and wear things over and over and repurpose things and just think about what you already have and how you can get more out of it. I really wanted to just style some things that I've had for a while in a different way, a way that I haven't shown you guys before. So let's get into this first look. All right, so here's the first look that I want to show you guys, and I've had a lot of fun with this one. The top that I'm wearing is from Zara. It's old Zara, but I'll link to a cute crop top that's similar. This one I love because it reminds me of a marshmallow, but in a good way. It doesn't add too much volume, and sometimes these sorts of voluminous tops can add a little bit too much bulk and volume, and it's not flattering. But the way this is cut, it fits really nice. I love the color, and yellow is something I always want to have more of in my wardrobe, but I can't seem to find enough pieces. I don't know. That's really interesting. So I'm going to continue my search for yellow pieces, but for now I love this. And of course, you don't have to do yellow. You can switch out for another color. And because I'm wearing white shorts, you have a lot of room to play around here. You can do blue denim as well. You don't have to go with white, and I know white can be a little bit tricky, but I'll link to some other shorts that I find are really great for curvy girls. I have a couple of other places that I do shop for shorts, and I think you guys would love them. Bermuda shorts are great, and I really love them. And it's about that balance, but I also find that when I wear a shorter length short, I find it more complimentary to me. And then of course I have to balance it out with something different on top that has a little bit more coverage because I'm wearing a shorter short. But you can play around with that and just wear whatever length makes you feel comfortable. And with denim shorts, I do suggest sizing up. Just in general, especially if you're a curvy girl, if you're heavier on the bottom, because you just get a better fit. And then the waist is probably going to be too big. Oftentimes the waist is too big. But if it's a relaxed kind of pair of jeans and something that's a higher waist or a pair of shorts, then you might get away with not having to tailor it. Of course, if it's a huge gap, then you got to do what you got to do. But when I do go up a size in my shorts, I'm noticing now that I feel more comfortable when I'm wearing a crop top. And denim can be a little rigid and hard, you know, so it's nice to size up a little bit just to get that comfort. And I don't always love to have things with so much stretch in it. I prefer denim that doesn't have stretch at all, really, or maybe like a really small percentage. But that can be very difficult to find a good pair of jeans that I can get into, because curvy girls already know the jeans with no stretch, it can be a no. The shorts that I'm wearing are from Express. I've had these for a while as well. I like the fit of them. They're comfortable. They have a little stretch. I can move really good in them, and the rise is nice and high. Express is also doing a curvy short right now. They're shorter than the Bermuda shorts that I'm showing you guys, but they have a really nice shape. And Express has like really good pieces, especially for summertime, because you can always rely that they'll have some good shorts and like tanks, basics. They even have camis. They have a really good amount of things that are perfect for the summer. So I'll link to some things that I think are really cute in the description box, but I love that. And then for shoes, I'm wearing my Gucci slides. These are my platforms, and I love these. I have been able to style them up in a lot of ways, and you guys have been asking me for more ways to style them, and I can guarantee you guys you're gonna get to wear these a ton. So if you still haven't pulled the trigger on these and you want to get them, go ahead and do it, because they're really comfortable and very easy to style. They go with everything. And I mean, I have not had any problems with them. They're comfortable. They are heavy. So if you're going to be doing a lot of walking, I wouldn't recommend it. But I spend a lot of time in my car. I don't walk that much. I mean, in the mall, you might be doing a little more walking than normal, but I've worn them for hours and I don't have any issues. They're pretty comfortable, and they have that platform, so you get that added height. But overall, a great shoe. So I'll link to those as well in the description box. And then for my bag, I am wearing my Chloe Tess, my everyday bag. It goes with everything. And I'm wearing my Gucci headband as well, the denim headband that matches the slides. I love fun little hair accessories, and they're also functional. Headbands are great when you're having a bad hair day, so we all know that's great. And what I recommend, if you guys get the headband, scotch guarding it a little bit. Just do a little scotch guarding, and then you shouldn't have any issues with like your hair oils or anything like that. And because it's fabric, it'll be more grabby. It'll grab the dirt or any oil that you have in your hair. So just to prolong the life of it, just scotch guard it and you'll be good to go. I'll leave a link to the one that I have, and you guys can check that out. But I like this whole outfit. Very comfortable and easy to style. And then I just threw on a pair of my Tom Ford shades, and easy peasy. Now I wanted another way to style this outfit, because I was like debating back and forth about what I wanted to do. So I just decided to show you guys both. And this is another fun way you might want to style this. I threw on my black Crocs, and the color scheme that I have with my Jibbitz are black and yellow. So they're a lot of fun and they pair nice with this outfit. I threw on my black Saint Laurent bag and then a pair of my Jimmy Choo shades. And I got a whole different look. It's a totally different vibe. And I just wanted to show you guys how you can still style up some of your other pieces and create an entire different look. So I like this a lot. It's comfortable. Again, you know, Crocs, they're super comfy, so you can't go wrong. Here's the next look I have for you guys, this black and white look. The top that I'm wearing is old Zara. I do love an off-the-shoulder top. They're so good. I actually can link to another top that is not similar, but it would be really cute with this. So I'll link it for you guys. But we love a white top. You can do a white button up here. You can do a white tank. You can do a white crop top. You can try so many different versions of a white shirt. So if you have a white shirt and you're like, oh, I don't need to get that one, or, you know, I have so many white shirts already, it's like, I feel like you can never have enough white shirts, especially if they're different cuts and styles and everything like that. So have fun there. And then the pants that I'm wearing are from Express. I love the fit of these. They skim the body nicely. They have a wide leg. I did go up in a size in these so that I could have that, you know, that skimming effect, but then I had to get the waist taken in. So just keep that in mind, but a really nice fit. And I am hesitant with pleats around my hips, but this fits nicely. And because I went up a size, it still fits well. And I did have to get the waist tailor down. So overall, a really nice pair of pants if you guys are looking for a pair of black slacks. I definitely recommend these. And I would suggest getting more than one pair. I hem them so that they can be worn with heels and with flats. But I do love the way they like slightly, like they're just above the floor when I wear flats. So I prefer them with a flat shoe. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and get another pair. But if that's okay with you, you can wear them with two different versions. Like if you don't want them to skim the floor, I would prefer them to be a little bit longer with the heel. But they look great and I've worn them with the heel. You know what I mean? So you can do that. You can have your tailor hem it in a way that is good for both a heel and a flat, depending on the heel height, of course. You can't go too high or they're gonna come up too short. But the pants are great. And then for my bag, I'm wearing my Saint Laurent Kate bag. It has a little tassel, a lot of fun. This look is great if you're going out for drinks, maybe you're having a date night. this outfit is it. And the pants are wide legs, so there's a little volume there. The top has the ruffles and it's a lot of volume there as well. But I am kind of like nipped in at the waist because the top hugs me a little tighter. So I feel the balance is there and you kind of have that hourglass kind of thing happening. So I really enjoyed this outfit a lot. It's fun, it's flirty. You know, I love things with any kind of extra drama at the top. And for my shoes, I went with my Sam Edelman gold wrap sandals. They have a smaller heel and they're very comfortable. It's a very reasonable heel, a very comfortable shoe. And if you're wearing like shorts or if you're wearing a shorter skirt with them, you can see the wrap like going up your leg. It is so cute. And I love a goddessy kind of gold wrap sandal, especially if they're flat because they add a little something extra. But I love a wrap heel. Just in general, a wrap sandal is really great. And you can style it a lot of ways. Metallic is what works best for me because I get to style it with so many things. But you can go with just a pair of like black ones or white ones, and that would be great too. And a lot of you might already have a solid color like black or white. You can pair that here and it'll look great. And then my earrings, I am wearing my Valentino earrings. Oh, I'm actually wearing them right now too. So you guys can check these out. I'll link to them. I've been really loving them. They're a nice statement. And if you don't know Valentino, you won't know about these. But if you do know, then you do know. So I like that a lot about these. And I share that with you guys when I first hauled them. And if you want to check out the luxury haul that I did a while back, I'll link that video in the description box. Next up, I have a dress for you guys, and I love this dress. It's a satin dress. It's flowy, it's comfortable, it looks great, and it's given like Grecian goddess. I like that vibe. Easy breezy. The sheen is really nice here on this dress. This is from Banana Republic, and they don't have this color anymore, but they still have the dress. And I actually thought about getting it in another color as well, just because it's such a great dress. And it has that umpire waist and nips you at the waist, but it's still very flowy and comfortable, and it skims the body so good. And the dress has a high-low effect, and when you walk and when the breeze goes through it, it just flows so nice. And then for shoes, I'm wearing my Boohoo platform sandals. I've been loving these, you guys. I really have been loving them. I love the way they wrap. I love that whole goddessy type feel. The platform gives me a little elevation, but very comfortable. And I just can't say enough about them. They're really nice. I like the metallic. I love gold. So for me, they really are perfect. And then for my bag, I throw on my Chloe Tess. Here's the next look, and this is a really great, easy, casual look, but it's a little elevated if you want to do something a little bit more. This is perfect for like lunch, maybe like daytime cocktails if you're going to a cute little like brunch place, or even running errands because these shoes are super cute. The top that I'm wearing is from Target, very affordable and easy. They do really great denim. They're from the brand Universal Thread. I like this top a lot, and it does have like the brown stitching like going through it. Really great. And then my shorts, these are new. I showed you these shorts on my mother in a recent collective haul that I did. I'll link that video in the cards so you can check that one out. But I have really loved these shorts. Now, they are sold out in a lot of the sizes, so I'll link to them and you guys can sign up to get notified for when they come back in stock. These are really nice shorts. I suggest sizing up for a more comfortable fit. They have a nice high rise. They have a small amount of stretch in them, but they're mostly cotton, which I love. So that's why I would suggest sizing up so you can get a better fit. They have a distressed hem. These shorts are not too bright white. They're nice, like sophisticated white is how I would describe them. I like these a lot. So definitely sign up to get notified for when they come back in stock so you guys can get your hands on them. On to the shoes. These shoes I'm wearing are my slides from Sam Edelman. I love these. They have like an espadrille feel. They are made out of like wicker, and then the bottom has more of a rugged like sneaker kind of a sole. A really nice fun shoe, comfortable. These are so comfortable and they're higher, but because they have that platform situation happening, that keeps them so comfortable. So I can wear these for hours and hours and hours. And this outfit is just, you can run around and run your errands in this. Like if you're going to lunch, you want to be cute, but then you have some things to take care of, you can keep these shoes on. And then for my bag, I am wearing my Coach Parker. The pretty pink I thought was just a nice compliment to the entire outfit. Overall, a very simple look, but I just elevated it with a couple of other pieces. And you guys can definitely switch this up. You can do a sneaker with this look. If you don't have a sandal like this, you can do a sneaker. You can do like an espadrille that wraps up your ankle. That would be great as well. But you can play around because the canvas is very simple. It's just a denim shirt and a denim pair of shorts. I just did a half tuck. Just really easy and effortless. Now here is the last look I want to show you guys, and it's a play on blues. I've been loving blue lately. You guys can see I have my nails blue. I was thinking about doing this color again, but I want to try like maybe like a coral color. I do like oranges too for the summer. So anyway, stay tuned. But I have been loving blues, and this top is great because it has a couple of different shades of blue shot through it. And then it has the smock like tuxedo blouse, and I really like those kinds of tops because they add a little bit more elevation to the look. Those little like details like that, they elevate the outfit tremendously, and you can still wear them very casually. So this top is from Ralph Lauren. The fit is nice. I just push up the sleeves and do a little half tuck like I usually do, and paired it very simply with my cut off denim shorts. I love denim shorts right now, you guys. I have been styling them so many different ways for you guys, and here's another one. I like this look. Like, I do a lot of button-up shirts and shorts. That's my summer uniform. I've already talked to you guys about that. And it's just an easy way to look polished and put together. These shorts have a distressed hem. They're a little bit of a darker wash. Maybe like a medium wash is how these are a medium wash. But you could do a lighter wash, and you can do ones with no distressing. You can do white shorts here. You can play around. You can even do jeans. You don't even have to do shorts. So you guys definitely can recreate this look because you can just do the same look with a white button-up shirt if you have shorts that match but you don't have a striped blue button-up shirt. If you don't have a tuxedo shirt, that's fine too. You can do it like a plain button-up. So you can definitely recreate this and get the same vibe. And then for shoes, I just went with a pair of Zara sandals that I've had for a while. I love the color. Again, I'm playing with the blues here, but you can do a white sandal. You could do a sneaker. You can do another pair of slides. And I think my Gucci slides would look good with this as well. So you can play around with what you have. And then for my bag, I just went with my little Gucci Zoomy wallet on a chain. I love this. This is kind of my go-to when I don't know what bag to wear. It kind of goes with everything because it's gray, it's neutral. It has the gold and the silver G's. So it kind of got me covered on all bases. It goes with everything. I cannot fit a lot of stuff, obviously. It's very small. But I can fit some cards. I can fit some cash if I need to, some change because it has the zip change pouch. And then if you guys get your hands on those trial size like lip products, like the little mini lipsticks or the little mini lip glosses, I collect those because they come in so clutch for things like this. So I have everything I need pretty much in that bag. And then I carry my phone in my hand because it's not going to fit, which is fine because I always have my phone in my hand anyway. So I think that's a really great bag if you guys have been looking for it. I'm not sure if it's available on the Gucci website anymore, but I have been linking it for you guys on some pre-loved websites, but I'll link it wherever I can find it for you guys. So make sure to check the description box. And then for my sunglasses, I'm wearing my oversized Gucci shades Obsessed. They have a tint of blue, so they just play so nicely in this outfit. This exact colorway is not available anymore, but they have this style still available. So check the description box for that. But I love an oversized shade. Like, that's just my thing. And I realized that I probably should have a couple of pair that are not so ridiculously oversized. But that's okay with me. I'm into ridiculously oversized sunglasses. They just look really great on me. But I love these. And let me know if you got these, because I know so many of you, when I did that luxury haul, so many of you were asking about these sunglasses. They're an awesome pair to get if you've been like trying to add to your collection, or if you just want to get a really nice pair of shades. So that is it, you guys. That's it for this week's outfits. I'm also going to have links to all the jewelry that I'm wearing because I have some ankle bracelets. I switched out my earrings a couple times, my rings, all that information I'll also have in the description box for you guys. And if you have any questions, of course, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I really need you guys' help. Thank you so much to everyone who's already given me some input. But I'll have a link in the description box where you guys can share some of your feedback and input on my robe line. I am starting from scratch, all from the beginning. And I just want to know what you guys are looking for, what you guys really want in a robe. And it's really great to get some of you guys' ideas. So click the link in the description box and you can share some of that insight with me. Thank you guys so much to everyone who's already done that. And shout out to my Facebook group. This month's challenge, we are styling white, like all white summer looks. So if you have some events coming up, you just want some inspo, or you just want to share your all white outfits, I'll have the link to my Facebook group in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And don't forget to turn on those notification bells. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.